So let's say in a website your username is username and your password is password. That's trivial, but let's assume that. Now we are interested in how the website is storing the password, because if I am putting my password in some website, I do not want the website owner to know my password. So that's where the hashing algorithms are coming. If you put password here and we are using the SHA256 hashing algorithm, it will give us output of a 64 letter hash. Okay, so the output is called hash, nothing else, and this is what is going to the website owner, and the website owner is matching this hash with his database. There is no way we can generate the data from the function here. So from x we can go to f of x, but from f of x we cannot go to x. So that's the beauty of the hashing algorithms. So there is no way he can tell my password from the hash. There is one more thing. The SHA256, as we just discussed, it will always generate a 64-digit alphanumeric string. Now, if we add a space or enter, you can check the output is getting changed. Now, if you're adding the entire Harry Potter book or the Wikipedia or the Ramayana Mahabharata, whatever you want to put, it will be only giving us the output of 64 digits. So this is basically acting as a fingerprint. So let's talk about the SHA256 in a more broad way. Like almost all the advances in the cryptography stuff, the governments of the world have had a fundamental role due to wars. The algorithm SHA or secure hash algorithm is one of such advances. This cryptographic algorithm is developed by NSA and NIST. Like we discussed above, all the hashing algorithm works only in one direction. You can generate the hash from the data, but you cannot generate the data from the hash. So this is one-way tunnel. So let's discuss that why we are talking about the SHA256 algorithm. Now, obviously, the first answer is the Bitcoin uses it, but that is not an answer, right? That we are seeking that why Bitcoin is using it. Now, the algorithm used by SHA256 is one of the most used because it has a good balance between the security and the computational cost of generation. Now, that part will be coming in more detail later. And see, there is one more unique part which we have already discussed about the SHA256 algorithm is the result hash is always a string of 64 letters and number, and it is also used in the mining process, which is like the creation of bitcoins as well as generating the bitcoin addresses. We shall be talking about how the new bitcoin addresses are getting generated, and as well as how bitcoin is getting mined and what is exactly the mining in detail in the next videos.